from Sunbeam Convent School. Our school has organized the best science exhibition, which our children has shown their effort and
Hydraulic bridge. Hydraulic bridge is a type of movable bridge that can be raised or lowered to allow such bridges to pass a waterway.
इसके द्वारा ये समाज को दिखाना चाह रहे हैं कि किस तरह से हम बच्चे मिलकर साइंस के द्वारा एक अच्छा व्यवस्था कर सकते हैं इस देश के लिए।
अपने बच्चों को अप्रिसिएट करने के लिए कि हमारे समाज में विज्ञान के द्वारा जो हमारे समाज और देश ने प्रगति किया है उसको और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम अपने बच्चों को ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं कि जो विज्ञान के द्वारा कुछ जो त्रुटियां दिखाई दे रही हैं जैसे कि प्रदूषण वगैरह, तो विज्ञान के माध्यम से ही आज हमारे बच्चों ने संदेश दिया है। जैसे फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट में कि सोलर पैनल है या और जो सीएनजी आ रहे हैं, तो जैसे कि धारणा बनी हुई है कि विज्ञान के द्वारा हमारा प्रदूषण हो रहा है, हार्मफुल हो रहा है, तो अब विज्ञान के द्वारा ही उसको त्रुटि को भी दूर किया जा रहा है। इसके लिए हम लोग अपने बच्चों को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं कि अदर उसका विकल्प साइंस का क्या है जिसके कारण जो त्रुटियां हैं जो समाज को हार्मफुल कर रही हैं उसको दूर किया जा सके। आई एम रविंदर सिंह, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, सनबीम कॉन्वेंट स्कूल।
from Sunbeam Convent School. Our school has organized the best science exhibition, which our children has shown their effort and what they can do on their level best. So very kind of projects are there, kind of air purification of factories and windmill and solar panels. We have given maximum time to our students because they have to study also, but they have to show their inner skills what they have. We have given the best chance and they have taken initiative to show their extra ability and curricular activities which they have already in themselves. So we have just given them best opportunity so they can show their inner skills, and a very good project. You can see that a very different kinds of projects are there. There is the air purification of factories, which shows that how the carbon which factories are releasing from their factories and how we can purify that air which we are able to inhale it. So this is the best, I think, the project our children had made. So that's just, thank you. I'm the coordinator of Sunbeam School, Ranju Singh, my name.
सर, ये बच्चों ने बहुत प्रकार के मॉडल किए हैं, जैसे अर्थ को एक सेंसर है, एयर प्यूरिफिकेशन है, और भी टाइप्स ऑफ पॉल्यूशन है, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग है। इसके द्वारा ये समाज को दिखाना चाह रहे हैं कि किस तरह से हम बच्चे मिलकर साइंस के द्वारा एक अच्छा व्यवस्था कर सकते हैं इस देश के लिए। जैसे सर, बच्चे लोगों को तो बहुत कम टाइम मिला तैयार करने के लिए, लेकिन जो भी समय मिला है उनमें इन्होंने 100% अपना दिया है। विदाउट टीचर तो होगा नहीं सर, सभी टीचर जो भी हैं इंक्लूडिंग मी, वी ऑल्सो गिवन 100% फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रंस। ये 7, 8 और 9। माई सेल्फ संतोष कुमार दुबे, आई एम अ साइंस टीचर ऑफ संबिन स्कूल।
हम इनको तो बहुत प्रोत्साहन देंगे, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, और ये इनका जो ये इनोवेटिव काम है इसके लिए हम इनको बहुत सराहना देते हैं और बहुत बहुत प्रोत्साहन, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। SB सिंह।
Is Akansha Kumari and I am from standard 9th A, and I will tell about hydraulic bridge. Hydraulic bridge is a type of movable bridge that can be raised or lowered to allow such bridges to pass a waterway. And when in this project I have used syringe, tube and cardboard. Syringe for hydraulic pressures and bridge for making cardboard, and this syringe is called master syringe and this syringe is called slave syringe. When I push the plunger of first syringe, it will open and the zip get passed. By this we can reduce the water traffic and road traffic. So In the lastly, I will tell the conclusion that hydraulic bridge is a powerful technology that is used from bridges and machineries like JCBs. In this model, we have used Pascal law principle, which state that when we apply pressure in a fluid, it can transmit it equally in all direction. So thank you.
3 to 5 days. Class 8. 6 members. To conserve the energy for the future generations.
Convent School from class 8. Our project is effect of pollution on our Mother Earth. As we all know that how it is. In this project we showed our Earth and the environment and how it was in early prehistoric time and how it is today's period. In early prehistoric time, it's like in a heaven due to less of pollutions, technologies, industries, and more of villages, areas, and source of water. But now, it's like in a dry and deforested area due to burning of pollutions, burning of fossil fuels, burning of industrial purpose, and burning of household combustions and volcanic eruption because these all produce harmful gases which may cause harms to ourselves and our environment. In earlier periods, people are serious to their Mother Earth and environment because they are not greedy to their business and incomes. But now the people are too greedy to their business, incomes and lifestyle. This is the reason why our Earth is getting used day by day and especially the Earth is getting declined day by day. Now I am going to mention some effects which are the effects of pollutions. Public health concerns, respiratory disease, reproductive problems, obesities, diabetes, neurological disorders and immune system harms to many aquatic life as well as terrestrial life. Now my friend Ayushi will explain the causes and how to prevent it.
I am Ayushi Kumari and now I am going to explain the causes of pollution. It is caused by volcanic eruption that produces hydrogen chloride, water vapor at a temperature of 700 degrees Celsius to 1200 degrees Celsius, by burning of fossil fuels which produces carbon monoxide, by motor vehicles which produces sulfur dioxide, by industrial facilities which produces nitrogen oxide, by garbage dumping which produces methane, and etc. Now I am going to mention some methods to prevent pollution. We can prevent pollution by reducing burning of fossil fuels. We should plant more and more trees to create oxygen that makes our earth rich. We must use cycles or those vehicles that provide less gas. Now my friend Jigyasa will explain why he has chosen this topic and its solution.
For the bad condition of our Mother Earth. As we all know the condition of Delhi nowadays, that how it has become polluted. If we will not take the proper care, so maybe the condition of our state will be worse than Delhi. So take a oath today to protect our earth against evil things and should respect the public awareness. I also want to tell some solution of this problem. We should use cheap and best method to get rid from this problem. We can use paper or jute bags instead of polythene which are affordable. We can also use decomposition methods to get fertilizers which increases the fertility of the soil. But the problem arises that everyone thinks what happens if individual moves one step forward. But they do not know if individual moves one step forward, then thousands of people move thousands of steps forward. So if we want to change the condition of our Mother Earth, then firstly we have to change our mindset, lifestyle and behavior. And at last we want to say, save Earth, save life. Thank you.